Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to find your Amazon Influencer Storefront link. This is essential if you want to share your curated product recommendations with your audience and start earning commissions through the Amazon Influencer program. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and navigate to affiliate-program.amazon.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and sign in with your credentials. This will give you access to your influencer dashboard where all your storefront management tools are located. Although I don't have an Amazon Associate account myself, I'll walk you through exactly what you need to do next. After signing in, you'll land on the main dashboard. Look up at the top toolbar where you'll see several navigation options. From there, click on the Influencer tab. This section is specifically designed for managing your influencer presence on Amazon and contains all the features you need to customize and share your storefront. Once you're in the influencer section, you'll be presented with a couple of options. You can choose between Manage My Storefront or My Page. Both options serve slightly different purposes, but for the sake of finding your storefront link, let's focus on one of them. For instance, click on My Page to view your actual shop. This is where your curated products are displayed and where your followers will land when they visit your storefront. After clicking My Page, your storefront will load on the screen. Now here's the important part. Navigate to the top of your browser where the URL bar is located. This URL is your unique storefront link that you can share anywhere, whether it's on social media, in your YouTube description, or in your email newsletter. Simply click on the URL to highlight it, then copy it. You can do this by right-clicking and selecting Copy, or by using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on Mac. And that's it. You now have your Amazon Influencer Storefront link ready to share with your audience. This link is your direct gateway to showcasing the products you recommend and earning through the Amazon Influencer program. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.